On the inside, row number 2, the 95 of Billy Stidston. In the 12A Mackenzie Roofing, it's Kenny Baker. Problems there for the 12 truck, Kenny Baker. Turn 1 gets the tires warmed up. That always helps. Kenny Baker works his way back up. Brandon Young leads the field down in the 3 truck, the 95 Billy sits on the outside. There is nothing in the trophy dash. We have to wait for the heat races for the contact to start. Brandon Young in the 3 truck leads him down. Billy Stidston on the outside. Kenny Baker the last truck. Brings out. Brandon Young and Billy Stidston go toe-to-toe down the back straightaway. Young takes the lead. Stidston to the inside. 95. Billy Stidston up into first on the inside of Brandon Young. Stidston, Baker, Young, two laps to go when they come off at turn 4. Kenny Baker all over there, bumper Billy Stidston, Stidston in the dirt. Trophy dash, Kenny Baker to the outside. White flag is in the air. Baker hangs it to the outside, tries to go to the inside. Stidston turns it down back straight. Kenny Baker to the outside of the 95 truck coming up to turn number 4, drag race. Takes a entertaining Howie's Car Corral demo truck. Trophy dash when Kenny Baker's 2nd and 3rd is Brandon. Trophy dash on the pole in corner 24. It's Cody Young. On the outside, row number 1, it's Smokin' Joe Liberatore. In the 58, the People's Champ George Haywood. And in the 31 car, fast man in the field, Jim Young. Williams Trucking for all your trucking needs. Demo car trophy dash is up. Cody Young gonna lead the field down in the 24 car. The 63 is Smokin' Joe Liberatore on the outside. George Haywood in the 58th is on the inside row 2, and rounding out your field in the 31 car, it's Jim Young. In the 54 of Doug Richens will be doing a safety lap at the back of the field. He had some troubles with the 54 car, and he's going to try and sort it out with 1 lap. Here they come, Williams Trucking trophy dash here. Saves it, the 58 City, 2 laps to go. This time Violet's on the inside.
Here's Joe Liberatore, winner of the Demo Car Trophy Dash. Joe, I've known you for a long time, Joe. How many years have you been doing this now?
It's like we started in 1990, actually 1989. So I guess this is my 26th year.
Wow, and still winning races, still having fun?
Oh yeah, it's lots of fun. You know, we've only missed like 5 races or something in that amount of time. So we've always tried to be a big supporter of this, and you know, I would like to see more cars out here just to make it a little more fun and keep it, you know, keep the competition up. But the drivers that are here right now are a great bunch of guys, and we're all hard racers, and I'm sure you guys are getting a show.
Well, they're getting a show. You're looking like the man to beat so far this year. You're undefeated.
After that, you know, that was kind of cool being with Cody there in that trophy dash, because last race I got to start on the inside and he started on the outside, so I could say, you know, I basically didn't give him a chance to win, but this time I beat him on the outside.
Nice job, Joe. Maybe we'll see you back here later in the night. Congratulations. Trophy Dash winner Billy Stidston. Congratulations, Billy.
Thanks, Dave. Yeah, it's been, you know, tough season. It's going to be another close one. I see Kenny's got Asen's old truck, and so it's going to be a battle between us all season long, I think. I'd just like to thank my sponsors, Miller Welding, Howie's Car Corral, Just Heads, who put a good motor together for me last year, and Hub City Fisheries and TD Repairs. Couldn't do it without all those guys.
For sure, we all need our sponsors. You've tried a few other classes of racing out here, but you keep coming back to the demo trucks.
Well, that's what I started with, and I liked when I was younger and got a good championship in 2002, and just something about the trucks. Just been the truck guy more than the car guy, so.
Well, congratulations. Maybe we'll see you back here later in the night. Billy Stidston. Yeah, Cole, Kenny Baker's truck. They're changing a fuel pump right now. They'll be back for the main event.
Well, good news here there from Dave Isles, just changing the fuel pump on the 12 truck. Here they come, field off of turn number 4. Green is in the air.
stand, Joe?
Hey, how's it going, Dave?
Well, it's going well. It's going good for you. You're undefeated so far this season.
Yeah, I'd like to thank the Q. I don't get to plug them very often, and they do lots for me. Let me go to concerts for free, all kinds of fun stuff like that. But yeah, you know, I really appreciate everybody that's coming out and supporting the demo class, and you know, the crowd's starting out actually pretty good for beginning of the year. So it's only going to get better, and the caliber of drivers out here right now are awesome. So if we could get some people from out of town up here, I think we'd have a great show.
Yeah, it's a good show so far. You and Cody are putting on a real nice show.
Yeah, Cody's a good driver. The Youngs are great drivers, and you know, actually George Haywood too. All the guys are awesome. Hope 54 gets it figured out, because Richens, you know, he's a past champion himself. So it'd be good to see him out here.
Absolutely. Well, congratulations, Joe. Maybe we'll see you here one more time tonight, too.
Thank you.
Truck heat race winner, truck number 95, Billy Stinston.
2 for 2, you know, but the 12 truck had mechanical problems. You know, mechanical problems happen, but so far I'll take it. Looks like it's a me and Joe night so far.
Yeah, so far, and Don Bulgar, too. You guys are repeat winners.
Yeah, well, it's a good night for us. I just, you know, can't say enough about my sponsors and my family, my wife and kids that support me, and my last year here at Trucks for a bit. And, you know, what can I say?
Is there one more win for you tonight, maybe?
Maybe. We'll see. That 12 truck, probably, they'll get it back together, but we'll see who's last standing at the end of the night.
Well, good luck, Billy. Congratulations.
Stephen told me that how many people want Billy Stinston to win? How many people are rooting for Kenny Baker? How many people want Jim Young to win in the cars? How many Joe Torre fans are in the crowd? We're about to find out. Green is out.
that's it. It's the tires. I've always said it's the tires. Football Kane and Ed Bain always say it's not, but it is. It's the tires, guys. It's the tires.
Well, you're still undefeated. Heck of a race out there. It looks like you caught Jim Young napping a bit on the restart there.
You know, I really didn't think I had much of a chance in that last main event there. I'm thinking 6 races in a row. There's no way it's going to happen, and here we are.
Well, your crew's put a nice piece under you. You got to give them the kudos.
Yeah, thanks, Kenny Hearns. This is a beautiful motor you got here, Kenny, and I'm really glad I got it from you guys.
Well, let's hope you keep the streak going, Joe. Congratulations. Billy, another clean sweep tonight.
Yeah. Yeah, it was kind of wild, you know, the yellows fell my way for, you know, because Kenny was out front there out ahead of me for a while, and then the yellow closed us all back up, and I wasn't sure, you know, I was just trying to, almost went around from Joe and just held on to it and just finished second, but holy, there's big motors out here.
Yeah, well done, Billy. Hopefully we'll see you here again during the season.
Oh yeah, it's going to be a good season between me and this guy right here. We're going to go to the end just like me and his brother probably did last year.
Yeah, you're off to a great start. Congratulations, Billy. George Haywood finished 3rd. Kenny Baker 4th. He got his fuel pump issues sorted out. And rounding out the top 5 is Cody Young.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you for coming out to Cash Advantage Freedom Ringtone Military Night on behalf of all the folks and staff here at Western Speedway and All Fun Promotions. I'd like to thank you for coming out and enjoying a great night of racing. Have a safe drive home, everybody.